Sit back and relax in the comfort of your home. Amana.
Hi everyone, we're on the road again, meeting with homeowners who are learning about better heating and cooling options.
In another episode of Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy, brought to you by the great folks at Amana Heating and Air Conditioning.
And in this episode, we're going to meet someone whose house is more than just a home.
And who understands what allows Amana brand systems to provide extra comfort well beyond the temperature inside it, the limited warranty coverage.
I'm Tim Baldwin.
And I'm Olivia Perez, and today we're going to meet Meredith.
Look at this.
That's a great
This
little
is
garden.
great. I love it.
Little salad, like,
absolutely, yeah.
love the cabbage.
Is that spinach?
I think so.
No, it's cabbage. I think it's cabbage.
Hi.
Hey.
Come on in.
So nice to meet you. I'm
Yeah.
Olivia.
Hi, Meredith. Nice to meet you.
Tim Baldwin, pleasure,
Hi.
yeah. Beautiful house you have here.
Thank
Love
you.
it.
Thank you.
Right.
Do you guys want to follow me to my office?
Totally.
Cool.
Absolutely. Oh, beautiful place. Love this house. This is great.
Right? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
And we were telling everyone, your house is really, it's more than just a home.
Right. It's also my office.
Fill us in.
So I am a freelance graphic designer. So while I will occasionally go out and meet with my clients, I spend the bulk of my time here in my home. And I need this place to be as comfortable as possible.
And we were telling our audience, you're a single homeowner, so you're also the sole decision maker when it comes to upkeep on it.
Right. So I have to take care of everything, which means that I'm responsible for creating the best living and working environment possible. And to be honest, I really like having all of that on my shoulders. I think it's a big reason why I love freelancing.
But it goes further than that, right?
Oh, absolutely. You know, I understand from the business side of my work, it's important to not only provide a good quality product, but to also give my clients extra assurance that I will be there for them if ever a situation arises.
You know, it sounds a lot like Amana's lifetime unit replacement limited warranty.
Which provides you with a new unit at no cost should the compressor fail you, the registered homeowner.
Right. I did my homework on this stuff.
You know, it's really important, Meredith, that there are people like you that understand the extra protection that comes with Amana brand heating and cooling systems.
That's a big reason why I went with the Amana brand.
Sounds like she called her local independent Amana brand dealer.
It certainly does.
You say he's independent.
All Amana brand dealers are.
Sounds a lot like me.
Sounds like you made the right move.
Speaking of moves, we've got to hit the road. We've got a lot of North America to cover.
Yeah, I have to finish up some business cards for someone.
Oh, business cards. That's what we should get.
No, we already gave you those, and you just used them to shove under the legs of uneven tables.
What? I don't like wobbly, tilty things.
It was a pleasure again.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Amana.